We're back. It's just me and Mav.
Yeah.
We went through bag check, and the cast member asked Maverick if he liked Star Wars. He said yeah, and then he said, "What did R2 say to C-3PO?" And Maverick said, "What?" And he used his metal detector, and he had a little pin here, and it went whoop woo.
This is my first time at night at Disneyland or DCA.
Yeah, because you always fall asleep, bro.
Yeah.
Maverick, hold on. Look, Guardians is like a walk-on.
No, it's 17 minutes.
No, it's a walk-on.
No, look. See, guys? That's 17 minutes.
70.
Yeah.
That's really fast.
No, it isn't.
Let's go.
No! I love Jack. He's so good. Oh, and guys,
Yeah,
you can actually get a Jack cookie.
I know. Jack cookie num nums. You ready, bud?
Yeah. You better put away that.
Keep your eye on Jack. No problem, darling. And the baby is gone. Go get him.
Hey, Dad, just forward and hold on. Come. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you get him? He just disappeared. Baby has teleported to the next tunnel. Got it. Hey, sweetie. Come to mommy. No, don't go, sweetie. Oh, Jack.
How was it?
Goodness.
That was awesome.
Sorry they got you crazy, baby.
God, I love this park at night. It's the only time you should ever be here, to be honest. Now on to Cars Land. We have a mobile order to pick up. You good?
How about you get our food? I have to stay here and find it.
No, let's go get a table.
So, electrolyte is in this cup, and electrolyte is actually good. So, it gives you energy to like play and get your energy back on. So, bye.
What did we get, Mav?
Okay, so this is my food. You can see chicken strips
Okay.
and fries.
Yep.
We got some ketchup and barbecue sauce and ranch.
Okay.
And then
What's this?
Fries for Dad, and then I don't know what this is.
A weird cheeseburger. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's eat.
Let's dig in.
Can I have a chicken strip and some barbecue?
Yep.
Is this keto?
Well, yeah, I think.
It's keto?
Yeah.
This is keto. You sure?
I'm sure. I think.
Oh, then I can have it. Okay. Mmm.
It's not keto.
Wait, what rides did we ride again?
Made of Junkyard, baby!
No, what did we ride before this?
Oh! We riding! You know!
What? What did we ride?
Whoa!
Oh, Incredicoaster! Yeah! We ate some food. We ate some food. It was pretty good. Yeah, that weird cheeseburger. I don't know about it. Were your chicken strips good? Yeah, he liked his chicken strips. I like Mater. Mater's is a fun ride. What about, what are we gonna ride next?
We're gonna ride Monsters Inc. or Mermaid.
Oh yeah, that's right. Monsters Inc. or Mermaid. We'll see. Oh, all done.
I love you so much.
Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down the, what's that word again? Street.
You can lay the knees on the street, the truck walking up the back. If you see the spin and the spot, you know where it's at. I know that love is good. Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day. Out in the sun, they sail away. While we do floating, good like you floating under the sea. Now the orchid fish is happy as all through the waves they do.
Paducah, Sadruga, and wings of the Caspian Sea.
Wait, what'd you say?
Walk on Wonder.
Oh,
You guys couldn't hear me. I said, go on Walk on Wonder's channel. It has me in it, my dad, and my little brother, Cooper. He will.
and mommy. What should they do when they go to our channel?
They should like and subscribe for more.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll.
It's true! I saw the whole thing! Happy birthday, Schmoozy Boo!
Oh, googly bear.
Yeah, 2319 in property gun unit. This is a spread out and lock it down.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Well, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right. Nothing to see here.
We only did like 3 rides.
No, 4.
Oh yeah, 4.
Yeah.
How would you rate this night?
10
Did you
out-
have fun with me?
10 out of 10.
A 10 out of 10?
Yep.
You like hanging out with Dad?
Yeah.
Nice. All right.
And a 5 out of 5. Actually, yeah, 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5, 10 out of 10.
No, 5 out of 5. That's all.
Okay,
And
five.
that,
Just a 5 out of 5.
and that makes 10 out of 5.
Nice.
10 out of 5.
Well, I had a great time with you. I am ready to go to the room. Yep, and relax. Because we have to be back here in the morning. Oh, let's say bye to Walt.
Bye, Walt. Bye, Mickey.